In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Toyota RAV4 key fob to change the internal battery at home. This is a super simple process. You will just need a regular flathead screwdriver and one of these CR2016 batteries. If you'd like to get one of those online, I will leave a link down in the description so you can pick one up on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. And once you have everything you need, let's just get right into it. The first step is to look up at the top of the device. There is a little indentation there, kind of a little slot in the plastic. We're going to use our flathead screwdriver, insert it into that area, and give the screwdriver a twist. You will feel the device crack open, and now you can just set this down to the side and remove our battery. And we do so by just pushing a little bit of pressure on the bottom of the battery. It will just click right out. Just push on the bottom with your thumbnail and get rid of your old battery, get a new CR2016 battery, and make sure the positive side is going face up when you put that in there. You just push it down into place. It's very simple. And we can just click the back of the device back on there. And that's really all it takes. I hope that was helpful for you. And if it was, feel free to let me know down in the comments. And remember, if you ever need to change another battery in any of your key fobs for any make or model, you can check out the rest of our tutorials here on YouTube. And you can also visit us directly at fobbattery.com.